Well, hello again. It's Heidi from Flutterby Heidi, back again with some more swaps to share with you. So, big event on the Saturday. All of the girls and a few men got together for the main Stampin' Up event. So on Sunday, I got together with some of my fellow crafters for a Pootlers team event, because I'm part of the Pootlers team. So my team came as well, and we had a lot of fun. And again, we made swaps as well. I unfortunately didn't get around to making as many because I was away with work and forgot to take my stuff with me to do them. But for those that were there, I did make this swap. So this was my on-stage one. So continuing the Flutterby theme. Here we have a lovely little pouch. And it's like a matchbook holder, but as you open it up, it's got a little pop-up. And I gave everyone a little sample pouch of some Neal's Yard products, which is this lovely kind of pretty delicate colour. It goes with our Highland Heather. Just as a bit of fun, and it's the same technique I use. I'm going to do a video on this, but I'm going to resize it to actually fit a gift card in, so it'll just be slightly wider. I made it this size obviously to fit what I was popping in, but I'll do one that fits a gift card because it's really nice to kind of open it up. And I've done a bigger one, but I'm going to do a little mini one because then you can always use it for business cards as well. So that was my swap. Enough about that. Let's get on with the ones I received in return. So, even though I only made about 30, I got lots back because people are so generous. So this is a beautiful one from Teresa O'Connell. Thank you, Teresa. Look at the die cutting on that. A lovely desk calendar. Really useful to have. Look, just stands on your desk like so. Lovely, lovely lipstick. Thank you very much. Oh, fabulous. Pens and pencils, always useful. Look at this, Pootler's Rock. That's one of our little catchphrases. And that's from Lisa Emsley at Little Owl. And that's Bright's DSP. Look at that, gorgeous. And some fabulous pencils. Always handy to have. So this one is Bex of Tranquil Bay. It's got sweets in, lucky, so I'm diving straight in for the sweets, but actually look at this. She has done a beautiful card here. And this is using the Bitty Blossoms. It's the punch set, the Bitty punch set that goes with the Bloom by Bloom in stamp set. And she's used a beautiful bouquet stamp for the stems, and then she's punched out these lovely little flowers. Look at that, for a gorgeous card and a ray of sunshine. And sweets too. Win-win. Look at this. Everybody does so many different things. Look at these wonderful wobbly pencils. And overachiever again, Karen. She actually put our name foiled on every single one, so she knew who she'd swapped with. So thank you very much, Karen. Lovely way to pop a couple of pencils for someone. And using the beautiful Share What You Love DSP is a lovely weight of cardstock as well. This is good old Jez Carpenter. Look at this. She doesn't like this stamp set. I think it's great fun. Wild About You. Who couldn't love that kangaroo and koala? Welcome, little one. And that's from Nigeza Creates. Thank you, Jez. Okay, so I picked up the same one. That's from Lisa. Okay, look, butterflies again. So this is Craft with Liz. This is Elizabeth Finney, and look, she's coloured these beautifully. And we've got a bit of Wink of Stella. I don't know if you can quite see the shine on that. And then inside, look, mini eggs. Thank you so much. And then she's used, look on the top here. I don't know if you can see, but that's actually got the, like stitching on the top as well. Really pretty. Thank you very much. It's great when you see these. It makes you realise how many different ways you can package things up as a little thank you. And this is a fabulous, don't forget, you fill me with happiness. And this is using the tag topper punch just to hold a pencil in place. And on the back, she's done a super don't forget list as well. Tracy Faulkner. Thank you, Tracy. Oh, this is Julie Addison. Thank you, Julie. And she has done a scaled down version of a box that Sam did a while ago, which is a double box. So you've just got a little double box here, and inside Freddo's. Right, might nick that idea for my Freddo Friday. No, seriously, that's lovely. Thank you very much, Julie. Oh, here we go. So we've got a couple of things here because I've pulled them out together. Here we go. Okay, so lovely little pouch. Look at that. Hello, dear friend. Sending lots of love your way. I think I know who this might be from, because I think, yes, it was. It's from Karen. So Karen gave me one of these on Saturday, and then we swapped again. So, but even better, I've got two different colours. So I now have a lovely blue one and a beautiful Daffodil Delight one. Thank you. This is from Karen Liddell. Look at that little pouch. Isn't that pretty? Lovely, lovely paper. Super little idea. We've got some little paper clip there. Perfect for gifting all sorts of things. Make your own envelope. Always useful. And look, I just love the business card. Curious Moose Crafts. And of course I loved it even more because it had got a butterfly on. Oh, look. And it's actually on a... it's on a tea bag. So there you go. There's the tea bag on its string, which is attached the butterfly to. Oh, how pretty! Thank you. Gosh, lots of punching on here. Look at that. It's lovely. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Right. What have I got next? Oh, this is from lovely Janice. Look, Juzzle Dazzle, Janice Thompson, and in here, look, love hearts, gorgeous little box, gingham gala, and I couldn't believe she'd coloured like 60 of these bunnies. Fable Friends Bunny Rabbit, very Peter Rabbit, isn't it? Okay, and then lovely, Strong Be Happy Be You. That's from the Rooted in Nature stamp set. And then we've got the Pop of Petals, I think it is, the four flower petals. And chocolate. And it is from Karen. Maudie Paper Crafts, of course. Thank you so much, Karen. Thank you. Then we have another little pouch here. There you go. Okay. And that's it's got some mints in there, and Elizabeth Shaw mint and some Twilight mints, and that's from Karen McDonald. Thank you, Karen. Corrie Paper Crafts. Thank you. Shout out. Oh, look, Petal Promenade, and this is from lovely Verity, Inky Butterfly. So she's made some really nice flattened pouches, which is really nice, and I hate destroying it to get in. And she has treated us. She obviously knew I was suffering. Look at that. She's got some lip therapy. Again, I could have done with that on Saturday, Verity. That is lovely. Thank you very much, Verity. And here, look at this. Okay. There's a little box with some border biscuits. These are fabulous biscuits. So lovely. This is from Tracy Walkden. Thank you, Tracy. Share what you love, DSP. That lovely Grapefruit Grove as well. Or Grapefruit Grove is still around. And some nice biscuits. And this is from Jill. So this is Jill Chapman, Paper Daisy Craft. So you've got to have a flower on it. And look, a lovely Easter egg in one of our little acetate boxes. Just shows a little bit of DSP on the inside, some stamping and punching on the outside. Isn't that a pretty little present to have on somebody's desk? Okay, another butterfly. You can tell we were all obsessed with the butterflies. Oh, that's from Kayla. Thank you, Kayla, love. Kayla was off on holiday, I think, today. She was driving home, then going off today. So hope you have a safe journey. But yes, look at that. Some lovely butterflies and some sparkles. Thank you very much. Dandelion Wishes, one of my favourites. And the Subtles embossing folder. Look, a little note. There you go. My wish list. Oh, lovely. Look at that. Really nice way to package up a wish list. And again, die cutting. These people have arms like I don't know what. Look at this lovely stitched rectangles and the new well-written framelits. How am I doing on time? Oh, okay. We're about halfway through. This is going well. Okay. So again, some lovely little flowers on there. The thank you. with using our classic label punch. Oh, and look, chapstick again. Ladies, I should have paid more attention. I don't know which that must be the Bloom by Bloom DSP. It's not one I've got, but that is pretty. Thank you. Oh, look, how cute is that? Easter greetings. I think that's from Fable Friends. But look at this little carrot that they've made. Isn't that so sweet? A little bunny tail. And in here we've got some instructions. Wasn't in chocolate eggs, thank you. And from Linda, of course, Lilo Crafts. Thank you, Linda Worth. Thank you. Linda, I've known Linda for quite a while now, Linda. We've been poodlers together, and look, the little hands clasped together as well. Oh, and she's used the banner punch. Clever. Lovely, thank you very much. Look, even with a little carrot. Super, thank you. And there's still more, right? Okay. Christine Bettany, thank you, Christine. Look, a little embossed tag, a little heart, and a lovely little treat pouch. Thank you very much. Oh, this is the Swaptopus. I love the Swaptopus. And that is from Karen Howell, and Karen does lots of 3D, and that's great. It's one of those little sort of freshening hand wipes. I'm going to say that'll be a little pop-up card. She does a lot of fancy folds and things as I do. But look, there's a little miniature pop-up card. It's really good fun, and I've just undone that to get at what was in there. Of course I did. Thank you very much. Okay, on we go. I know my two friends, Sam and Louise, were so touched because they were literally only just 2-week-old demos, had just got their starter kit. Lovely, look at that. These have been around a little while, but they are great fun to do. And a lovely way to present a gift card. This is from Karen Kilner, who I shared a table with on Saturday. So thank you, Karen, and her team member, Pam. But my two team members were blown away that people make swaps, and they'd made so enough for everybody. So my two ladies got one, even though they didn't have anything to swap. This is from Sally Stampers. Oh, look at that. There is a bit of a standing joke that wherever the pootlers go, the Moams go with them. We have. There were so many sweets there. You've got a lovely little embellishment there, like a little ribbon clip. That's very pretty. And look at a little sweetie inside. So you could pop all sorts of things, and great for jewellery. Look at that. From the heart. Thank you very much. And that beautiful variegated sort of ombre ribbon on the side as well. Thank you. Then we have more chocolate. Okay, bang goes the diet this week, folks. My little bunny. Oh, what a lovely pinwheel card. Look at that. And it just folds out, and look, oh, lovely. What have we got? We've got some green tea. Now, I do occasionally have a green tea, so although I don't drink tea, I do occasionally enjoy my green tea. So that's from Yvonne. Ivy Whitmer. Thank you very much, Yvonne. That is lovely. Tea and chocolate. I'll be eating the chocolate even if I don't have the tea. And look, you see, another theme, more chocolate. This is from Violet. So this Violet I shared a table with on Saturday as well. Lovely Violet, who again I've known really from the early stages of Stampin' Up. But look at this gorgeous chocolate, and that's Twinkle Twinkle, that is. Twinkle Twinkle paper and stamp set. Lovely. Thank you very much. What else do we got? Oh. And oh, look at this. They've used some of these tiny little paper clips, and this is Broadway bound DSP. Oh, and look, two gorgeous glittery pens. Oh, who's that from? There's no information. That's one of the fellow. Anyway, thank you very much. They're fabulous. Look at those gorgeous little paper chase pens. So pretty. Thank you. What else have we got? The last few coming up now, which is just as well because I'll be running out of time soon. Oh, look, a candle. I've got to love a candle. Yes, thank you very much. Oh, and someone's done a different closure here. They've actually snipped that and so that it folds together. And I'm guessing therefore it's a no glue box. Okay, so look. Oh, look. And they've even given us teeny tiny instructions. And it is from Sheila Birch. Oh, thank you, Sheila. Large tea light box. Thank you very much. Look at that. Tea lights. Fantastic. Gotta love a tea light. And that. Oh, she's coloured. I think she's coloured the burlap ribbon there. That is so pretty. Thank you very much. Beautiful box. This is because we swapped the day before as well. So you do occasionally, it depends on whether people do different ones for different events. That's from Kayla. Thank you, Kayla. Oh no, I've just got two from Kayla. Thank you, Kayla. Which is a bit of a frenzy. Glittery pencils. That's going to be from Valerie. Yes. So this is lovely Valerie from Scotland. Valerie Broomfield. And it's a fabulous pencil wrap. Great way of gifting a couple of pretty pencils. And there are some lovely ones about as well at the moment. Everywhere you go, there's some really pretty stuff. And this is from Kay Mellor. So Kay has done a really pretty notepad there. Lovely lipstick that she's used. And look, fabulous, just nice, perfect pop in your handbag, or when you're out and about. And then I have a lollipop, and I don't know who that's from, so I can pick. I can't even pick. I remember swapping. I can't remember who it was, but thank you very much anyway. On that note, as you can see, there's lots of inspiration, lots of ways to gift all sorts of things, just little treats to people. Just excuse me. Just make it all a little bit special. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. I know there'll be lots of these videos going around, and I know I whittled on a bit, but hey, do you know what? I just want to share my love for it and my appreciation as well for all the people who've swapped with me over the last 2 days and have made it a really fun weekend. I appreciate it. I appreciate you for watching, and if you'd like any information on any Stampin' Up products or any of these projects, give me a shout and I will do my best to put you in touch. Thank you for watching. Bye now.